Hey outdoor enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the HAWK wood-burning rocket stove, an incredible piece of gear that's perfect for camping, emergency situations, and off-grid adventures. This review is packed with insights to help you decide if this rocket stove is the right addition to your outdoor kit. One of the standout features of the HAWK wood-burning rocket stove is its portability. The stove can be easily folded flat, making it a breeze to pack and carry in your backpack. It even comes with a handy storage bag to keep everything together, ensuring no parts get lost during your adventures. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, this stove is incredibly lightweight, so it won't weigh you down on those long hikes. The HAWK stove is designed to burn twigs, sticks, and other dry biomass, allowing you to create a hot, clean-burning fire with minimal smoke. This efficiency not only makes it environmentally friendly, but also eliminates the need to carry heavy propane canisters or charcoal, giving you more space for other essentials. The almost smokeless burn is not only great for the environment, but also for those who want to keep a low profile in the wild. Setting up the HAWK stove is a breeze, taking just a few minutes to assemble. The cross stand provides a stable platform for your pots and pans, making cooking straightforward and enjoyable. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, frying up a hearty meal, or cooking a full dinner, this stove delivers consistent, reliable heat. The included operating handle is also a nice touch, making it easy to dismantle the stove even when it's still warm. Crafted from high-quality materials, the HAWK wood-burning rocket stove is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use, making it a dependable choice for both casual campers and serious survivalists. The stove's body is made from stainless steel, providing durability and resistance to rust, while the insulated design helps maintain high efficiency during burns. This stove is not just for boiling water or heating up soup. With the HAWK wood-burning rocket stove, you can barbecue, grill, and even stir-fry. The stovetop is sturdy enough to support various cooking vessels, from small pots to medium-sized pans, allowing you to cook a wide range of meals outdoors. Whether you're making a morning coffee, a quick lunch, or a full dinner, this stove has got you covered. Rocket stoves like the HAWK model are known for their eco-friendliness. By using small-diameter wood and other natural materials, they reduce the need for fossil fuels and minimize carbon emissions. The high efficiency of these stoves means that they burn fuel completely, producing very little smoke and reducing air pollution. This makes them an excellent choice for those who are environmentally conscious. Safety is always a priority when dealing with fire, and the HAWK stove doesn't disappoint. The sturdy legs hold the stove at a safe distance above the ground, preventing accidental fires and ensuring stability even on uneven terrain. Additionally, the design keeps the flame contained within the burn tunnel, reducing the risk of accidental burns and making it safer to use than open fires or traditional camp stoves. While the HAWK stove excels in many areas, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Some users have noted that the edges can be quite sharp, so it's important to handle the stove with care during assembly and disassembly to avoid any cuts. Additionally, while the stove is great for 1 to 2 people, it might not be the best option for larger groups. If you're planning a trip with more than 2 people, you might need to consider additional cooking solutions. Customers have praised the HAWK wood-burning rocket stove for its efficiency, portability, and ease of use. Many users appreciate the quick setup and the stove's ability to generate a strong, steady flame with minimal fuel. The almost smokeless operation has also been a highlight for those looking to keep their campsite clean and low profile. The HAWK wood-burning rocket stove is a fantastic addition to any camping or emergency preparedness kit. Its compact size, efficient burning, and ease of use make it a top choice for outdoor cooking. Just be mindful of the sharp edges and consider your group size when planning meals. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple, or a small group, this stove is designed to meet your cooking needs in the great outdoors. You will find the Amazon's link in the description of this video. Stay adventurous and happy camping!